Animation keys. How do they work? By the way, friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell too. Do not miss new videos. We have a reference point at which some parameter is fixed. The parameter can be any. For example, transparency, position in space, color, position on the screen, font, transformation, object size. You can do animation with this. For example, transparency. At the first point in the first frame, one opacity parameter was fixed equal to 1. Full non-transparency. With the track selected, move the mouse cursor over the opacity value and press I or click to the right of the value. The dot will become a diamond. Move the slider, for example, to the 20th frame, change the opacity value to 0. Full transparency. Set the second animation key by pressing I or to the right of the value. Fix the second reference point. In the 60th frame, we set the third key to 1. Complete lack of transparency. Now, from the first frame to the 20th frame, the transparency smoothly changes. It increases, and decreases again by the 60th frame. That's the whole point of animation keys. Animation keys define the entire animation. Any object can be controlled in time and space. Animation keys allow you to manipulate objects, allow you to change objects. Any animation is based on animation keys. If you see movement, change, then this is done with the help of animation keys. My lesson has come to an end. Watch more tutorials on the Video Editing Blender channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.